I love the event. I love the venue. I love the group energy and atmosphere. It's amazing. And I've learned so much from all the speakers. I feel ever more motivated than ever before. So yeah, it's great. It's very empowering. Oh my gosh, they're all my favorite. My favorite part is probably the dancing in the morning. Maybe today was my favorite because I think listening to John, even though we're on calls with him all the time because I'm on the Zooms with him constantly, but to hear him be this open and vulnerable, and because he's Greek and I come from a Croatian background, I have a very similar story. So yes, I could totally identify with that. Plus it really touched my heart.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.